What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video, and today I just got the final part to an upcoming gaming PC build that I'm going to be putting together, and that part is the RTX 2060 Super. This is straight from Nvidia. It's the Founders Edition card. I might be a little bit late to the party because this has been out for a while now, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing on it. And it's still a great card with the upcoming RTX series coming out hopefully sooner than later too. I can see it being a lot cheaper, making it a great deal. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside here. Alright, so here we have the box itself. Pretty standard, just says GeForce RTX 2060 Super. There's not much details on it. As you can see on the back side, it just has the graphic. And on the bottom, you get most of the information here. So there's two seals, one on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and rip them open. Alright, and immediately you are introduced to the card. And here it is. And it's quite heavy, as Founders Editions tend to be. Just gonna open this up. All right, here is the card itself, and it looks very nice. I'm really a fan of the Founders Edition cards. I think they look great. Here on the back, you get the black painted backplate, as well as a DVI port, which I didn't even know this had. So that's a nice surprise. You got the Type-C port. You can just use this if your computer doesn't have a Type-C port, or it's also meant for VR headsets. And then we have two DisplayPort 1.4s and one HDMI 2.0B. And then here, looking at the top, we have the two fans, as well as the RTX 2060 Super. Just a little bit more branding here. On the side, we have the GeForce RTX badging, which does light up. So it's going to be illuminated with the classic Nvidia green lighting. And then on the back here, we have the all metal backplate. And here it says RTX 2060 Super. The Super is really bright green. So that's definitely going to stand out inside the case. And on the side here, we have just more of the heatsink. And on the back, we also have the 8-pin connector here. The card is 9 inches long. So keep that in mind if you don't have space inside your computer, you just wanted to check it out. Overall, beautiful card. I'm really looking forward to installing this in the computer. And so far, it looks really nice. So let's take a look and see what else we get in the box. All right, so we have this tiny little box here. And inside the box are some quick start guides. And this is a support guide. So these might come in handy here. And there's a little tiny box here, which is probably empty, but I'm still gonna check it anyways. Yeah, there's literally nothing in here. Yeah, nothing in here. All right, so there you have it, guys. That was the RTX 2060 Super Founders Edition unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Would you ever consider buying this for yourself? And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.